Hello there. If you wish to update a document to OneDrive, you may access the OneDrive link on the respective Kanban on Trello right here. Then, please press the Upload button and select the file that you wish to upload. The document will show that it has been uploaded to the OneDrive link.
Hi there. There is another way to upload documents to OneDrive. You may open up the folder that you wish to select this file from. Once you've found the folder that you wish to upload to the OneDrive, you may drag the document to OneDrive and copy. The file will be shown that it has uploaded to OneDrive here.
Hi there. If you wish to create a task on Trello, you may do so by pressing the Add an Item button. And you can assign the respective person to be in charge and also the due date for the completion of the task here. Once you're done, you can press the Add button to complete creating your task on Trello.
To create a OneDrive access link, you may copy the link that you wish to access by pressing the Share button and copy the link as follows. Then upload the relevant link on the comment section in the Trello board by pressing the link control button, pasting link here, and enter the link as follows. And press the Save button to submit the comment. Hi there, this is DingTalk application. It is a medium for communicating with our fellow colleagues, sharing files, and also calling up meetings. In order to create an event on DingTalk calendar, please select a date that you wish to create the event on. And then please press the More button. Next, you need to choose what type of event you're trying to set. There are two types. First is the meeting, and second is a card date. For now, for example, for a card date, and rename the following event as follows: hearing, followed by the case file name, which can be referred from the Trello board here. Once you are satisfied with the time, please click on to the Done button. Hi there. To create a WhatsApp group for the clients, you may do so by clicking onto the New Group here and type in their respective names. Once you're done adding your fellow clients, you may rename the group as their respective case file name, referring from the Trello. Once you're satisfied, please press the Tick button to create the group.
Hi there. So the explanation for the case file name will be as follows. For example, this case. LC stands for Lim Chambers. DV stands for divorce. 65, the number 65 stands for the number of divorce case. Say SP is the single petition. And 0422 is the month, the year, where the client has engaged with us. And in other words, the case has started. So to give another example, here, the draft here, this document right here, it was created on 2023, the month of July, on 17th. This is a draft for decree nisi, and this is the first version of it. Now right here is the case file name. Similarly, LC stands for Lim Chambers. DV is divorce. 71 is number of divorce case. SP is single petition, and 0422 is the month and year where the client has engaged with our services, or in other words, the case has started.